Very good morning to all. Myself,
I'm fine.
okay, myself, Manisha teacher. I welcome you in the statewide online lessons of Standard First, organized by Municipal Corporation of Greater Mumbai. How are you all?
Fine. I am fine.
I hope you all are fine. Okay, today our subject is maths. Before going to start our lessons, we energize ourselves. Okay, so we will start with one game. You know that game, Simon says stand up, Simon says sit down. You know, you know that game?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
so today we will play the game just like Simon says. But here we will play with this doggy. You see this doggy? You like doggy?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Doggy like students. Okay. Doggy like also doggy like you. Okay. So doggy wants with you to play game. Okay. So let's start. Dog doggy give you some commands. Okay. So doggy says laugh. Laugh beta hasso.
Ah.
Doggy says laugh. Yes. Good. Doggy says, close your eyes,
Close your eyes.
close your eyes. Good. Doggy says, open your eyes. Fine. Good, good. Now doggy says, cry. Mm. Okay, 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 okay. Very good. Doggy says, clap your hands. Wow, wow, wow. Very good, very good. Good, good, good. Okay. Doggy like your actions. Okay. So now doggy say sleep, sleep, sleep. Okay. Doggy says wake up, wake up. Yes, yes, yes. Very good. Okay. Now fast. All this action with fast. Okay. Doggy says clap your hands. Yes. Doggy says cry, 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 cry. Mm, okay. Doggy says laugh.
Ah.
Oh, very good. Okay. Now, doggy want something special. Okay. So, doggy says, show me your 10 fingers. Show me your 10
Five.
fingers. 10 fingers. 10 fingers. Take your both hand. Okay. Yes. Doggy says, clap your hands 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Good. Doggy says, shake your hand 3 times. 1,
One.
2, 3. Good. Very good. Good, good, good. Okay. Doggy says, snap your fingers 4 times, just like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good, very good. Now doggy says, sit straight, sit straight. Yes. You like this game?
Yes.
Enjoy?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Now I will show you something. Okay? Look and tell me what is this. Okay? Wait, wait. Okay. What is this?
Coin. One coin.
Coin, one coin of rupees 2. Okay. Okay. Now see. What is this?
Note 10.
Yes.
10
Currency.
rupees note.
Yes. Very good. Excellent. Okay. So this is coin and this is note. Okay. So today we are going to learn about the coins and currency notes. Okay. Let's start. See, I have coin. Coin
2
of?
rupees coin.
No. Watch it
1
again.
rupee.
1 rupees coin.
Coin.
Yes. Good. This is coin of 1 rupee. 1 rupee. Okay. Next is, wait. This is what?
2 rupee coin.
Yeah.
2 rupees.
2
2
rupees.
rupees coin.
2 rupees coin. Very good, students. Good. Now, one more coin I have. This is what?
5 rupees. 5
Yes.
rupees.
This is 5 rupees coin. Okay. Very good. And now, one more coin.
10 rupees.
Oh, 10 rupees. Yes. 10 rupees. It's called 10 rupees. Okay. Okay, fine. So, coins are made of metal. Okay. These coins are made of metal. Okay. Whenever we want to something buy, so we use these coins. Okay. You like these coins?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Now I will show you something else. Okay. What is this?
1 rupees note. 1 rupee note.
Yeah. 1 rupee note. It's a 1 rupee note. See here. 1. 1. Okay. It's a 1 rupee note. Okay. Next. Oh, what is this?
2 rupees note.
Yeah, it is 2 rupees note. Okay. And its color is
Red.
reddish pink. Reddish pink. Not exactly red, reddish pink. Okay. And backside of the
Red is
note,
pink.
some pictures. Okay. Some pictures. Okay. You see it? Okay. Next. Oh, what is this?
5 rupees.
5 rupees note. Okay. Its color is greenish. Okay. See backside some pictures. Okay. Farm and tractor. Okay. And see here number 5. Okay. Okay. And oh, one more note is here. Which note?
10 rupees note.
Yes, it's a 10 rupee note. Okay. And who is who is?
Gandhiji.
Yeah, our father of nation, great leader, our father of nation, Gandhiji, he is here. Okay, Gandhiji's photo. Okay, okay. Which note is this?
20 rupees.
Yeah, it's 20 rupees note. Okay, see here. Here also, we can see our nation, our father of nation, Mahatma Gandhi, great leader. Okay, and
Mahatma Gandhi.
here we can see some sign. It's a governor sign. Okay. It's sign of our governor. And back side, they write here about note in different Indian language. Different Indian language, they write about note. It's a 20 rupees note in different language. In Hindi, Marathi, Gujarati, Tamil. Okay. So it's very attractive. Okay. And here is number of note. See here.
20 rupees.
Yeah. It's 20 rupees.
20
Okay.
rupees.
So all these are our currency notes. Okay. All these are our currency notes. Okay. And it's very useful for our day shopping and buying something. Okay. And these all are our coins. Okay. Now I will show you something more. Our topic is coins and currency notes. Okay. See, this is a 100 rupees note. Okay. And coin of?
One.
Yeah, coin of 1 rupees. Okay. See here. In above picture, coin of?
1
rupee.
1 rupees.
Rupee. Say rupee. 1 rupee.
Rupees.
Okay? Not rupees. 1 is only rupee. Say rupee. Okay? So with this, we can buy candies and toffees like eclairs. Okay? You like eclairs, chocolates and candy? Yeah. Okay. And below picture, we have here coin of rupees 2.
2 rupees.
Yeah. It's a 2 rupees. And this is backside of 2 rupees. Okay? See here. This is backside of 2 rupees. And this is backside of rupees 1. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Next is, which coin is this? Above picture, in above?
5.
Yeah.
5.
5 rupees coin. Okay. And next is backside of 5 rupees. Okay. This is a 5 rupees coin. With this, we can buy chocolates like 5 star. Not toffees, not eclair. We can buy with it with 5 star.
Dairy milk.
5 rupees. More amount. Okay. And dairy milk. Small dairy milk. Okay. And below picture, here coin of rupees
10 rupees. 10 rupees.
Yes, it's a 10 rupees coin. Okay. With this, we can buy chips and wafers like Lay's and Kurkure.
Fruity.
Yeah, fruity. Yes, very good. Yeah, you like fruity?
Yes.
Yeah, very good. Good. Okay. And be a 10 rupees coin. Backside of 10 rupees coin. Okay. You watch this.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Next. What is this?
1 rupees note.
1 rupee. 1 rupee note. Okay, good. And we with this we can buy candies and toffees like eclair. See, coin of 1 rupees and note of 1 rupee and note of 1 rupee. Same value. Okay. Coin and note of 1 rupee, same value. Okay. In below picture, which note is there?
2 rupees.
2 rupees. Yes. Okay. This is a 2 rupees note. Okay. With this, We can buy small chocolates like Cadbury shorts. You know that round Cadbury shorts. Cadbury shorts. Okay, we can buy this from this note. ₹2. Okay. Oh, this is another note. Which note is in above picture? Which note?
5 rupees.
Yeah,
5
this
rupees.
is a note of ₹5. Okay, this is a 5 rupees note. With this, we can buy pencil, rubber, and sharpener. Okay, for your school.
Craft paper.
Yeah, very good. Okay, and in below picture, here we can see
10 rupees.
10 rupees note. Okay, and this is back side of 10 rupees note. See here, what is this?
10 rupees.
Okay, but which picture is this?
Glass.
Huh?
Glass.
Glass.
Swachh
Yes,
Bharat.
yes, yes. It's the symbol of our project Swachh Bharat. Swachhata Abhiyan. You know Swachhata Abhiyan? Yes? Okay. It's a symbol of...
Yes, miss.
Yes. It's a symbol of our Swachhata Abhiyan. Okay. Next picture. Yeah. This is a new coins and new notes. Okay. It's a coin of rupees. Tell me, which coin is this?
20.
Yes, 2020. It's a new coin. Okay. And this is new coin of ₹20. Okay. And in below picture, we can see note, new note.
20 rupees.
Yes, this is new note of ₹20. Okay. Now, some exercise for you. Okay. I have written this amount, ₹2. For 2 rupees, which coin we have? We want 1
2
rupees. Yeah, 1 coin of ₹2. Otherwise, 2 coins of ₹1. Okay. Okay. Next is ₹3. Okay. So I want 2 coins. Which coins you use for 3 rupees? 2 coins. Okay. 2 coins for ₹3. Which coin you use? 1
rupees.
1 rupee?
1
Yeah,
rupees
1
and 2
rupee.
rupees.
Yeah, 2 plus 1 makes ₹3. Good, very good.
3
Good.
rupees.
Yeah, and last amount is ₹4. Okay, for this we can use ₹2 note, note of ₹2, note of ₹1, and coin of ₹1. So it makes 2 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 4. But you can use coin of, if you want to use 2 coins. So which coin you use for ₹4?
2 rupees.
Yeah, 2 coins of ₹2. Very good. Yes. Okay. See here. 4 rupees and 2 coins of ₹2. Very good. Okay. Next is ₹5. Next is ₹5. So I use here 5 rupees note. Otherwise, I want 1 coin. So I use here 1 coin. If you want 1 note or 1 coin, 1 coin. So you can use only 5 rupees coin. Okay. Next is rupees 10. Okay. I want only 1 note to use. So I use here 10 rupees note. Huh?
Yes.
Yes. And if I want to use 1 coin, so I use here 10 rupees coin. But you want, if you want for 10 rupees, if you want 2 coin, so which coin you use for 10 rupees? Which which coin you
5
use
rupees
for?
coin, 5 rupees coin.
Yeah,
10 rupees. 5
yeah,
rupees
very
coin.
good. Yeah, 2 coins of rupees 5. Very good.
10 rupees.
Yeah. Next is 10 rupees. Here we can see 5 rupees note, 2 rupees note, coin of rupees 2 and coin of rupee 1. It makes 5 plus 2 plus 2 plus 1. It's equal to rupees 10. Okay. Next is rupees 20. So we can use here rupees 10, rupees 5, coin of rupees 2, 2 coins of rupees 2 and 1 note. See here different coins and notes we can use here. Okay. So it makes total rupees 20. Okay. Last one is rupees 25. Okay. So we can use here coin of rupees 10, note of rupees 10 and note of rupees 5. So 10 plus 10. How many? How many amount we have? 10 plus 10?
20.
Yes. 20 plus 5. It's make 3. This is one pen. I want one pen. Okay. And its cost is rupees 10. Okay.
10.
So, okay. So, which coins here? You see?
5 rupees coin.
5
2
plus
rupees
2
coin. 2 rupees coin. And 1
and
rupees coin. Total 10.
correct. 5 plus 2 plus 2 plus
5
1.
plus 2 plus 2 plus 1.
Okay. It
10.
makes 10. Very good. Well done. Okay. Our next article is notebook. Okay. And notebook's price is rupees 25. You like
25
note?
rupees.
Yeah. You
25
like notebook?
rupees.
Yeah, yeah.
25
Okay.
rupees. 10
Okay.
rupees. 10 rupees.
And
10 rupees note. 10 rupees
plus
2 note. 5 rupees.
1
10
note.
rupees note
Okay.
plus 10 rupees note plus 5 rupees note.
Yeah, very good, very good. 10 yeah. 10 plus 5. It's make rupees 25. Oh, and next article is Coca-Cola. It's very hot and I want to drink Coca-Cola. Yeah, you like Coca-Cola?
10 rupees. No.
You like Coca-Cola?
Yes.
Okay.
No. 10 rupees
No.
note.
Okay,
5
very
rupees
good.
note.
Yeah. Coin of rupees 10 plus coin of rupees 5.
10
It's
rupees
make
1. 10 rupees coin plus 10 rupees 1 coin. Coin
5 rupees
plus
note.
5 rupees note.
Very good. Good, good.
Equal to 20.
It's make rupees 20.
Thank you, Miss.
Okay. Wait. Here also some example for you. Pencil. Okay. So I can use here 4 coins. Okay.
Yes.
So which coins I use here? For pencil.
2 rupees coin. 2
Yes.
2 rupees coin. 1 rupees coin.
Yes.
1 rupees coin.
And 1
2
rupees
rupees coin. 1 rupees coin. 1 rupees coin. 1 rupees coin.
Yeah. It comes to rupees 5. Very good. Okay. Next article is compass box. Okay. So
10 rupees.
yeah. Plus 10.
10 rupees coin. 10 rupees coin.
And
5 rupees
5
coin.
rupees
5
coin.
rupees coin.
It comes rupees
30.
30. Yeah, very good. Okay. Next article is balloon.
5
Okay.
rupees coin. 2
Yeah.
rupees coin. 2 rupees coin. 1 rupees coin.
Okay. It comes to rupees 10. Yeah. You like balloon?
Yes.
You use it in birthday. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Our last exercise is verbal questions. Matlab word questions. Okay.
Yes.
One pen cost rupees 10. How many rupees 2 coins are needed to pay for the pen? 2, 2, 2. How many coins for 10 rupees?
6.
Not 6. Count it again. 2, 2, 2, 2. For 10 rupees. We can use 5 coins. Count
5.
it again. Okay. Okay.
5.
Okay. Next is 1 rubber cost is rupees 4. So I have only 1 rupee coin. So how many coins I can use?
4.
I need 4
4
coins.
rupees. 4 coins.
Good. Very good. Okay. And price of I want to buy 1 water bottle and its price is rupees 20. And
Yes.
and
1
next
water
is,
bottle.
yeah, is 20 rupees. And 1 sharpener I buy. And its cost is rupees 10. So
10.
total price of water bottle and sharpener 20 plus 10. How many? 20 plus 10? 30.
30.
Yes, very good. Okay. And our last question is about Ravi. Ravi bought 1 ice cream. Okay. By giving 1 coin of rupees 10 and 2 notes of rupees 5. So 10 rupees coin and 2 notes
20.
5. Yes, it's a 20.
20.
Or all articles. Sometimes you need to save money in your piggy bank. Okay? Okay. Bye. Thank you all.
Bye, ma'am.